Look, the whole argument about fibre versus wireless versus any other technology, and there really isn't another technology out there, is so spurious it's not funny. It's accepted worldwide by every technologist that currently and into the foreseeable future, the best technology to use in terms of the infrastructure of getting a high-speed broadband network out is fibre. The reason that wireless is an issue is you'd need an enormous number of towers to deliver the same thing that you would get with a fibre connection. That's the first thing. The second thing is there are two drawbacks with wireless. It'll work well in some locations, but the key elements are distance from the cell or the tower itself. The speed declines as you move further away from that tower. And the second thing is the amount of data that's going through the tower and the number of connections that are there. So it's diminishing returns. It would be very expensive to do. So what we're putting in is something that is expandable all the way through, we think, till 2050, 2060. And it's going to serve Australia to have that infrastructure in place, because that's what it is. It's the most important infrastructure we can have for this century.